will fly.
Hi guys, you're watching Kavi's vlog. I am Kavita. Today, by the thumbnail of the video, you already got to know what I'm going to show you today. Today, I'm going to show you Wow Skin Science Ka face wash, foaming face wash. This is this. So I'm gonna let you know my view about this. I've been using from 6 months. So let me tell you about the merits and demerits of this product. Stay tuned to get some important information about this Wow Skin Science ka the foaming face wash. So what are we waiting for? Without any further ado, let's go. So guys, let me talk about my skin first. My skin is super oily, super greasy. As soon as I wash my face after 5 minutes, it is super greasy, super oily, deadly skin type. So oily, so greasy. So I found this Wow Skin Science ki face wash on the internet while I was browsing for some good face wash. So I found it very interesting, and the formula of this is very interesting for me, and it is made for oily skin people, and it also comes with an attached brush to it. That makes me so impressed. So I got it for me. Let me talk about the product first. Let me show you how the packaging looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. It says wow, apple cider vinegar face wash. It is very decent amount for such good products like this, because for oily skin you may get any oil cleansing or any foam based or anything like that, but it does not comes attached with the brush. And also I forgot to tell you that this brush is a silicone based brush. So you can see the brush is so soft, so gentle on your skin. You have to touch it. It is so soft and so smooth. It will not make your skin's texture. It is not harsh on your skin. That is the main point I wanted to tell you. So this is not too harsh, but yeah, it makes it job. The bristles are really good. The brush bristles are very good. It will remove all your dead skin, all your makeup, all your pigmented lipsticks very well. I really love this product. These are the advantages of this product. I also have a disadvantage or a dislikes of this product, because I've been using since 6 months and I got to know how this product works for me. Let me talk about the dislikes I have on this product. This product dries up skin this quickly. Yes, I wanted that, but I did not wanted Sahara Desert on my face. I wanted like little bit hydration on my skin, but this will make your skin very dry after using it for at least 5 minutes. After that, okay, oily skin people will get into normal skin. Yeah, that's one dislike. And the other one dislike is, if you wanted to use this product for everyday basis, no, do not use it. We want some oils necessary, nutrients and necessary oils on your skin, but do not use this every time or every day. It's good for once in a while, or once two times in a week. Two times is enough for any scrubbing or anything. This is other dislike which I have on this product. Yeah, that's it about it. If you guys have any doubt, you can comment down below. I will make sure that I will read all the comments, and I'll make sure that I will give a good suggestion for you guys. And you have any other suggestions that you want me to try out, or you have any other product that you want me to try out and review for you guys, please let me know without hesitation, and I am going to try, and I'm going to convey you my experience. My Check Kavi's View series will be coming. If you guys suggest me a product, and I will review it for you guys. Any skincare, hair care, anything it may be. So that's it for today's video. I also forgot to tell you how the texture or how the foaming will be. The foaming is like this. the foams will come out of the brush like this. It is like this, you can see. This video, please make sure that you give you huge thumbs up button and also click that subscribe button and also click that bell notification right next to it so that you'll notified whenever I come up with the new video. So without wasting our time, let's move to the next video.